It was raining heavily in Mahableshwar, and we still thought we'll step out and go to cheese factory, which was just 2 minutes away from our stay. There are many shops inside this cheese factory, and let me tell you, the place is very beautiful. You can spend hours in this cheese factory. So we first went to this shop named Pure Berries. You get all fresh fruit, natural juices and jams, and you can also taste them and then shop it according to your taste. So for us, we got some jams and also some berry juices. Then we went to the cheese factory, where you will find all a variety of cheese. You can taste them and you can buy it according to your likings. You also get pure ghee over here, so we got some for us also. There is a fast food restaurant also inside if you want to eat some sandwiches or any strawberry cream or something like that. We also got few pastries packed for ourselves. This is a fragrance and accessories shop where you can buy body lotions or shower gel or even perfumes. This is the chocolate shop, and you can get variety of chocolates over here. We left from the cheese factory and started our journey towards Mumbai, and we spotted a big humongous waterfall on the way, and it was mesmerizing. We had to halt so many times on our way because the landscapes were so beautiful. We got many recommendations for this restaurant named Siddhagiri in Vai, and we thought of eating our lunch here. The restaurant is an old Wada Style restaurant, and it has got this rustic vibe, and the food was amazing. They also have stay options, and I like the property very much. You can try to come here if you are visiting Vai or Mahableshwar. Hope you liked this video and it was informative. Thank you.